famous xiaolongbao, which is sobrang sarap, lalo na yung broth. You can eat it as is, pero perfect din siya with sauce. Dagdagan mo ng chili oil if you love spicy food. Grabe, sobrang sarap. We enjoyed our food. Busog na busog kami ng papa ko. Naubos namin lahat yan. And of course, for dessert, we ordered chocolate xiaolongbao. I added rock salt cheese as dip kasi sarap doon ang combination na yon, which is, I agree, napatunayan. Totoo nga. And for our drinks, my dad ordered lemongrass and ako naman, rock salt cheese milk tea or tea, which is sobrang sarap. Grabe yung combination na yon, like the bomb. Lasang-lasa mo yung pagka-authentic ng tea and grabe yung perfect combination nila ng rock salt cheese. So wala ko ibang masabi kundi masarap. Like 5 out of 5 yan. Sobrang sarap, grabe. You should all try. Sulit na sulit yung ibabayad mo and grabe yung pag-accommodate nila sa customer and pag-asikaso nila. All in all, it was a great experience.